Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Metamask wallet application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. This will then take you into the BlueStacks emulator page. Click on the download button to download the installer, as you will need an Android emulator to install the application on your PC. After it is downloaded, open it up and click through the next buttons, and it will install the emulator, and you can open it up to gain access to your Android home screen. Now just open up the Google Play Store and then log in using your Google ID. Then you can tap on the search box and then type in Metamask and start your search. Once you find the Metamask application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Metamask wallet app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on in order to open up the app. This will also create a shortcut within your desktop, which you can double click in order to directly open it up as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Metamask wallet application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.